Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast. I'm joined today by Julien Lamps, Associate Director of Global Product Management at Lonza Capsules and Health Ingredients. Julien, welcome to the PharmaSource podcast.
Hello, Luke. Thanks for inviting me and for having me on board. Nice to meet you then.
Yeah, likewise. To start with then, could you give us a bit of an introduction to the Lonza Capsules and Health Ingredients business, please? And really interested in hearing what's unique about the services that you provide.
Okay, so we are Lonza Capsule and Health Ingredients. We are well known in the market already since long for our Capsugel brand products. So those are the capsules that are for long been the most known empty capsule objects on the pharmaceutical world. We are representing a product portfolio first. We are well known for that. So capsules for any kind of oral dosage form. We are englobing with that a full portfolio of services as well, next, because we are not just about products. And we are really focused on bringing innovation to market, helping our customers to bring new ways of delivering their drugs and new ways of enabling people and patients to live better life. The motto of Lonza overall is enabling an healthier world.
Great. Could you give us an idea of the scale of the company? Approximately how many capsules do you manufacture?
Yeah, sure. Our manufacturing footprint is quite established. We have 10 manufacturing sites worldwide. They are represented in each regions of the world. We are producing 250 billion capsules a year. So we are the global leader in the capsule manufacturing markets. We are representing a bit more than 3,000 employees over the world. And within the Lonza community, Lonza overall is a bit more than 17,000 colleagues. We are one of the four branch of the Lonza manufacturing, let's say, ability that is well known as well for its CDMOs activities. And we are a unique product and service provider in this field in the Lonza Capsule and Health Ingredients.
And so the type of customers that you work with then, is it right across small, medium, large pharma? Where do you generally sit?
Yeah. Our customer base is indeed shared between two main businesses. We have the one that we are talking to today is the pharmaceutical one. So we are able to deliver our products worldwide to any pharmaceutical customer, depending on his regulatory requirements and his expectations. And we have also a big part of business into the nutrition industry, where our capsules are used for vitamins, minerals, any kind of consumer perspective that would need to get a capsule.
Thank you. So yeah, clearly a very large and very significant operation.
Yeah.
So what are the products and services which you're focused on at the moment?
Yeah, sure. So within the large portfolio of products that we have today, that indeed are showcased on our in our portfolio, we have the biggest one, the well-known, is the oral capsule. So the capsule typically that you swallow that will dissolve into your stomach and will deliver in an immediate release its contents. That could be either liquid or solid. So mostly powders are used for that, but it can also be a liquid fill that will indeed reach your bloodstream quite quickly via your stomach barrier. So this is the mainstream, let's say, capsule one that you know. We have developed lately an additional branch of product that is called End Protect capsules. This End Protect capsule is our latest innovation in the pharmaceutical space. This is a dual layer capsule that will withstand the acid media of your stomach, and will deliver only once it has reached your small intestine.
Okay.
So once it has reached, so this is an enteric dosage form, and that is really let's say unwavering, unblocking the stage of delivering any API to the small intestine without the harsh of going through the standard enteric release manufacturing steps that are involving solvents or many additional manufacturing steps. So enteric properties built in.
Great. Okay, that's a growing segment of the market, would you say?
That's a growing segment at the moment because indeed there is a pressing demand for more engineered solutions for bringing into the body species that could not bring about by this oral mean. So when you think about oral dosage form, this is simple. Huh? You just take it with a glass of water, for example, or during a meal, and this is something you swallow, easy to take. If you compare it to a syringe and let's say injection, clearly you have a patient experience that is worse. That you have a patient experience that is worse. You need also a whole infrastructure next to that to allow for your treatments to be delivered to you. And thinking about more patient-centric solution is at the heart of our solutions. This capsule, for example, and Protect, or even a simple capsule, is by essence an easy dosage form, very convenient to store, very convenient to ship or to bring and to get to your body in a simple way.
Thinking about the year ahead and some of the innovations which you're working on at Lonza, what would you say the most important trends are?
So next to this patient centricity, that is at the heart of the DNA of the capsule itself. Really bringing a true solution that would allow for going down the line of the hurdles that you traditionally have is really at the heart of our thinking. We do have indeed a bunch of customers, lots of customers that are coming to us and providing them with their the challenges that they're facing and asking for help in defining solution or with the help of our products. We have built a specific suite of services that are adapted to that. We have launched an application lab that is there to help our customers to define their need and to grow their projects and to launch a project until a proof of concept is done. So simply said, this is transferring let's say hurdles and challenges into solutions and ready to launch clinical trials.
Where is this application lab? This is in a physical facility.
Yeah, sure. This is a physical department that is sitting in our plant in Colmar, in Alsace, France. That is indeed being very let's say popular for our customers that are experiencing it. We have a bunch of experienced people both in the formulation of what will be inside the capsule and also into the hard empty capsule itself. So how to make this kind of nice shuttle being fitted to what you put inside and make this full solution as a finished dosage form that would fit the purpose of the treatments.
When you're collaborating with customers in that way, what type of common challenges are coming through from them?
So it really depends on each case, but to be more into the details, for example, we have typical questions around evolving, let's say improving the bioavailability of drugs, making sure that they are delivered with the smallest, let's say, needed amount within the body without going too wide, or let's say too high into the quantity, and as well as being able to make sure that the delivery is done efficiently and in a consistent way. So capsules are the perfect tool for that. What we have, let's say, really pushed on heavily in the last years is also backing up our product and solution with strong science-based data. We have been able to generate many studies on our products that are publicly available and that makes our product a true recognized by peers solution for delivering their performance according to what they are expected.
Are you doing much in the smart pills space?
Yeah. Those are key topics that we are indeed capturing as well with our capsule. We have interesting projects around those fields. Indeed, being able to make the capsule discuss with the patient, let's say, in between quotes, or something that would allow your capsules to be more bringing more information to you as a patient, and also for the healthcare professional. Those are the indeed strong trends that we are seeing, and clearly we have nice project on that side too.
Do you see that becoming a mainstream reality at some point? How long out do you see that being?
Yeah, I would see these trends coming in the next 5 years, in this range. Something that would bring reality in terms of being able to prove let's say the efficacy of a drug. So the pill that would deliver the information, the treatment has been delivered to you, and okay, something that would communicate in a way with you, or let's say making sure that you have followed your treatment as well. That's a key topic. Patient adhesion, patient adherence to treatments are also key in our pharmaceutical fields, and as well as bringing something convenient to our to those patients and to our customers as well is at the key is the key in our industry, clearly.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
So for a customer who is looking for a partner for their capsules, what would you say the questions are that they should ask when they're determining the type of solution?
Good point. So engaging conversation into evolving environment like we have, with a strong regulatory background and so on, you always need to get to the players that are there also to help you understand what are the constraints that you are evolving in, and the opportunities that you see in those constraints area. This is clearly the reality in our pharmaceutical space. While you see that there are many players into the fields of hard empty capsules, for example, you always have to ask yourself if you are talking to the ones that have also strongly backed up with science behind that, because science is clearly the key asset you are searching for into pharmaceutical. You are treating the health of people who need treatments. You are there as well to ensure that they will not encounter any bad effects. And while you need to ensure that, you need also to have strong scientific evidence of your proposed product. And this is also why we have backed up our latest product with this kind of approach of putting science first, bringing data on the table, showing the performance, being able to meet our regulatory constraints on the customer side, let's say on the advice and the support that we are providing to our customers is really the key aspects that any buyers or any purchaser shall search for, in my opinion.
What sort of metrics or KPIs should they be looking at?
Yeah, sure. Reaching out to publication or to papers that are indeed showcasing the value of the proposed product is a key benefit for me. Something that is also important to that is that any kind of innovative label shall be also accompanied with patents, with things that showcase the value of this product by indeed let's say being clear on what is inside the product, what makes it unique, what performance it brings, how it has been proven to be effective in a way, and also backed with a strong sense of regulatory updates.
Julien, it's been a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Luke.
Thank you. To find out more about the Lonza Capsules and Health Ingredients portfolio, head to their website, lonza.com. Finally, we're excited to tell you about PartnerMatch, which is a brand new service from us at PharmaSource. PartnerMatch is a new online meeting platform designed to be the most targeted, efficient, and sustainable way to connect with pre-approved partners in key areas such as APIs, packaging, supply chain, contract manufacturing, and CROs. We believe that by creating better, faster matches, PartnerMatch can directly contribute to accelerating the rollout of groundbreaking therapies. Get involved by heading to pharmasource.global/partnermatch.